By now, all of us know that YouTube is a great source of earning lots and lots of money. Many of us have tried it, but relatively less people is able to see the real success and money on this platform. Here, I am showing you 5 easy and guaranteed ways using which you also can earn a lot of money from YouTube. Let's talk about the first and most widely used way, that is YouTube Partner Program. You can earn generous amount of money from here, but there is a hurdle. To join YouTube's own partner program, you have to achieve 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months threshold. Once you have gained the numbers, you are eligible for earning advertising revenue from YouTube, which is called YouTube Partner Program. Here are few more things to remember. You have to maintain 4000 hours of watch time in last 12 months, or else your partner program eligibility will be cancelled. You must live in an eligible area. You need to link a Google AdSense account. It may seem easy, but gaining 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time is not child's play on YouTube. Moreover, you never know how many videos you have to create to gain that numbers, or how much you will earn from those videos, and of course, the earnings vary a lot region-wise. But yes, like all other things, there is also another few ways with which you can earn from YouTube. Affiliate marketing is probably the best way with which you can earn a great deal of money from day one of making videos without even joining YouTube Partners Program. Here I am showing you how affiliate marketing works. First, you have to find a company or seller which offers an affiliate program such as Amazon Associates and apply to join. Once accepted, you can use their custom links to products you plan to feature in your videos. Here, I am showing you my Amazon Associates account and how I use my affiliate links in this microwave cooking utensil video. And here is my affiliate earning history from Amazon. However, your earning can vary a lot product wise, and this type of earnings work good for review videos. Other than Amazon, there are other brands available for affiliate marketing. You just have to search and join them, and the rest will follow in turn. Don't forget to add a proper disclaimer like this after your links in the YouTube description box. Brand deal or sponsored video is another great way to get paid on YouTube. Companies interested in your content will sponsor your videos or offer you product placement deals in exchange for a shout-out. Here, the bottom line is to create a great content that will surely add value to your viewers as well as the customers of the company sponsoring your video. You can't fake this thing. Write genuine content and make a great video. The rest will be easy. As I mentioned, the prime factor here is the audience, which means these type of deals are more likely to present themselves when you have developed a following. As your channel grows, you will get more deals as most of the company will be eager to show their products to a large number of audiences than only a few. With brand deals, you can receive lofty payments, can earn commission on a sale basis, or get the product or service for free. Now, selling your merchandise products through YouTube is another great way to earn from this platform. You can sell almost anything here, but you will gain most if the products that you sell is related to your audience. Let me explain it more clearly. If you have a channel or product review or lifestyle, then selling products like something you review on your channel or you show on your lifestyle video will gain you more. Whereas for any educational or how-to channel, you can sell downloadable products like ebooks, audio tutorials, or even video class videos that will help you earn more in this case. Crowdfunding is another monetization method you can use on your YouTube channel. This is mainly of two types, recurring and project based. Recurring is better suited for content creators, fans of the channel. Pay a small subscription fee for an exclusive content or tutorial. Here also, revenue depends a lot on the number of subscribers. Patreon is a popular crowdfunding platform and serves as an additional income stream for many video creators, musicians, and other artists with more than a modest following. Hope this will help you in your YouTube journey. If you love this video, then please like, share, and comment. See you in our next video. Thank you.